Hello everyone and welcome back to Computer Bytes. My name is Aoyemi Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to solve this kind of error on your local host server. Unable to create directory WP content. Is it parent directory writable to the server? So this is how you are going to go about solving this kind of issue. So the issue I'm having here is I'm trying to upload a theme file on my WordPress XAMPP server. So as you can see here, anytime I click on, so I'm going to try to refresh this page. So I'm going to refresh this page, and if I click on upload theme, click on choose file, so and click on install now, you can see I keep having this issue. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open my XAMPP folder. So go to applications if you're on Mac, so click on your XAMPP folder, so then click on XAMPP files. Then I'm going to open up my att docs. Then I'm going to open my WordPress. So under this WordPress, what I'm going to do here is open up my wp config.php file. So I'm going to open it with my text edit file application, and then so let me zoom in. So all you have to do is scroll down, and then you need to write this code before the require ons abs part. So we need to set a file or directory where all our files are going to be uploaded. So what I'm going to do here is, before this requires ons abc part, so I'm going to come here, then click on enter. So let me try to zoom in more. Then I'm going to insert this code. So define upload wp content upload. So I'm going to save this file. I'm going to stop my XAMPP server. I'm going to stop everything. Then I'm going to restart everything. Now it's running again. Right now we can try to upload the theme again, and let's see if it's going to work. Oops. So as you can see, the first method did not solve our issue completely. We are still getting the same issue. So the next thing which we can do is to change the file permission of our WP content. What I'm going to do is go back to my file here, my WordPress file in my XAMPP folder. So what you can do is so I'm going to right click on this WP content. So I'm going to click on get info. Then under this sharing and permission, here you can see I'm only having the read and write, then the admin as well. So I can change everything to read and write. Then I'm going to unlock this. I've changed everything to read and write. So what I'm going to do here is click on the log file, this log icon. Then I'm going to close this. So let's go back and let's check again. So I'm going to so I need to restart my servers. So can go back again. I'm going to reload the localhost server, and I'm going to click on upload theme, I'll click on install now. So right now, as you can see, it is working perfectly. So it's saying installing theme from uploaded file, be it in the zip to perform. So I need to like connect my server here, my FTP server, and then once I'm done with it, then I should be able to upload my files directly to my local host server. So once that is done, you can upload it and then it should be good to go. So this is how you can set solve the issue, the parent unable to upload any files, maybe your theme or your plugin files on your local host XAMPP servers, or probably on a live website as well. So I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.